Hi there. Well, my SoClean uh, CPAP machine passed away quite some time ago, and I called SoClean up to possibly get a new one for an exchange, um, see if they had a program because these things aren't cheap. They're like $300 a piece. So I called them up. They have no program for repairing and exchanging. It's $300 and I should buy another one. So I've decided to take it apart, which I did, and I was pretty surprised to see the inside of it. There's really nothing to it. The problem was that the diaphragm pump, this is the diaphragm disintegrated, and it obviously doesn't work, and it was lodged in the airlines. So I am going to order, or I have ordered a new pump, replacement pump, which is no big deal, and I will replace it for $4 and change. This is the pump. This is the ozone generator, and then there's their logic board right here. Basically a timer, PLC timer, and then this is these two are safety switches to make sure that the hose is in the machine and that the doors are closed. So this is what they're charging $300 for. I used it for about a month or two, and it died. Well, maybe 6 months. I was not religious about using it, so I'm saying a month. Anyway, so I will have a new motor in a couple of days, and I'll put it on, motor and pump, and now that I know what's wrong with it, I would never buy one of these again. I'd just make one. No big deal. Yep. And there you have it. Have a great day.